Alright, hello everyone, and welcome to STV 100 Weekly. This is Professor Mike. Wishing you a happy Thanksgiving break. If it's coming up, make sure you take time to enjoy yourself and family and friends. Go shopping, have a good time. But don't forget STV 100. We've got some stuff to do. So let's jump right into it. So let's first go into our assignments for this coming week. We have the test anxiety case study. So this is about Monica, who has a very difficult time with her biology test. We've all had tough times. I share about my tough time where when I was at George Mason, I ran out of my dorm room freaking out because I was missing a test. So I already responded right here. Anyways, remember to post once and respond to two people. You hit reply to respond, and to post, I believe it's right there. You can't see it here because of the it is a teacher settings, but it'll be right there. So make sure you do that early so other people can post and reply. All right, moving on to the other assignment. All right, understanding academic skills and test taking quiz. So this is it's a big test. Now it's open notes, top secret, open notes. So take good notes. The way you get into it, you go to modules. All right, and we'll go to the reading and video. All right, here's the video. This is a good opportunity to practice good note-taking skills, which are also covered in here. So remember, if you click on like chapter 6 right here, preparing and taking test notes, it's not just this stuff, it is also, I go here and click on plus, and there you go. By the way, test anxiety and how to control it, this is something that is referred to in the discussion board, like when Monica and her test, and that didn't go so well. It asks you to go into the book and reply, and well, here's some tips are here. Also in that video that you can watch. Alright, so that is that. I've totally lost my place. There it is. So, there you go. Those are the two assignments. I believe you have 2 chances on the quiz, so make sure you take good notes. You can use it, do the quiz, take it again if you don't like your score. All right, so here is the big thing. All right, drum roll. The drum roll. Amnesty Week. Going back and doing assignments that you did not complete before. And it will be for a total of, drum roll, 65% possible. 65. I think it's fair because, you know, I can't do 100 because you didn't do it. And it's not fair to people who tried hard to get it done in time. And 65 is still, you know, it's good. It's decent. I highly recommend that you do it if you haven't done certain assignments. And I recommend that everybody go into your grade books. So the grades, I won't click this here because it shows everybody's grades, and that's not cool. I don't want to do that. Click on gradebook for yours and see what is not done. Plus, if you have any questions about the grades there, you can send me a quick email, which I may or may not get to if it's around Thanksgiving because I'm just not there. The other part of the announcement. So remember, up to 65%, November 27 through December 4th. All right, so if you close out of this video thinking I'm so boring, then you missed that big part too, okay? And if you ask me in an email, when is it, I'll tell you to go back and watch the video. November 27 through December 4th is when all of the other assignments are available. So if you didn't do it, you can then do it. And submit it for up to 65% of the total maximum points. All right, there you go. I'm very excited about when we meet in class on December 4th. We're going to talk about a big topic, all right? Now, there's one thing that Americans in general are more afraid to talk of than their sex lives even. And you know what that number one thing is? It is money. It's finances. So we're going to talk about something that is really tough to talk about. And I'm so excited. It's one of my favorite topics. All right, so we'll talk about how to make more money. I mean, that's it. Because right now you may not be making much, and that's okay. Or maybe you are, but maybe you will as well. You need to know about what to do when you get to that point, and what can you do now. We'll talk about budgeting, from all the small things to the big things. Cars, houses, food, etc. We'll talk about budgeting. We'll even talk about, hey, investing even. Why not? Retirement, all those things. It's important. And a lot of you are a lot younger, which is good, because you can do a little bit of stuff now that carries on later on. And then you'll think back to the date, December 4th, 2019. This is when I learned about these things. Very important stuff. I look forward to it. It's life-changing if you pay attention and you apply some of these principles, and I look forward to it. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in class on December 4th.